All right, guys, it is cold. Last spot, and then I'm going home. Some hot coffee. That big old bird sitting up there on that. Now this spot isn't, I mean, it's a good spot. It's tiny. It's a little tiny pond. It's got an aerator. I don't know if it's got a heater in it, but it keeps it aerated. So I'm always catch and release here. I've never been kicked out. I've never exactly shown up during business hours either. So, but I'm very, anybody that watches my videos or follows my Instagram knows I'm very respectful of property and of animals. If I'm told to leave, I won't come back. I don't hop fences. I don't fish places where it says no fishing or no trespassing. I grew up as a skater, and I found that being respectful of people's property got me a lot farther than being a jerk and doing whatever I wanted. I also have no idea how deep this is. This is the one place I'm pretty sure I'd catch flack for if I put the kayak in. So we're just gonna slow roll this spinnerbait. It's got a G-crack, a little 3.8 or something bellows stick on it. I love these G-crack baits. I like the smell. I like the ribbed body. I like the way it holds air bubbles, and I like the way they look in the water. They're all around awesome. We're on. Oh, that's a good one, guys. My drag is not tight though. Oh yeah, that's a good one. He's pulling my drag out. Oh God. Oh, let me get that out of you right now. Look at that, guys. Now, that's pretty nice. I guess that was worth coming out to in a snowstorm, huh? Look at that spot. Hello. I gotta get a picture of him. We'll get him right back in the water. I would put my phone in the wrong pocket. Oops. That's a nice bass, guys. I'm stoked on that. Flip around for the fronty. Smile. All right, that is a nice one. I don't have my scale or nothing on me, so I can't tell how much it weighs. It's too cold. I'm not going to get out my measuring stick. How small this is. It might have freaked everything else out. That might be the only bite I get. We'll find out though. That felt good, guys. He floored it too. That was no joke. He was not as cold as I thought. So there might be a heater in here. I know there's a fountain, you can see it, or an aerator, you can see it going. I can't wait too much longer though. My toes are actually frozen right now. Not frozen like hypothermia, or not hypothermia, not bad frozen, but just cold. Could be like the creek. I just caught the only fish in it. Oops, a little too far left on that. Come back from the bank a little bit because I have no idea how deep this is. Love a reel that can cast all the way across the lake or a pond. It's definitely not a lake. Not feeling rocks though, so I'm sure he's got wire, or he's got to have, he's always got wires out there running that fountain or aerator. I'm sure he's got something holding it down too, so I don't want to snag up in whatever he's got keeping everything down out there. Just puff right there, something just took off right there. Too close to the shore. There we go. Oh gosh. Oh. Another little spot. I'm gonna put in a different pocket this time, guys. Smile. Smile. Oops. I hate holding them where they're not straight all the time. Number 2. Don't seem cold to me, man. He was nice. Good stuff. Great stuff. See how many more we can get. Doing good, feeling nice. Not telling anybody where this spot is. So thankful for this GoPro and that I brought it. A lot of times I just don't bring the camera before I had a GoPro, but now that I've got this in this chest mount, it's really easy to just put it on and let it film. Go home and try and edit it together, but at least get these little shots. Wonder if that's some structure somebody put in here that wasn't there before. Water is really low too, like feet and feet and feet low here. Normally it'd be much harder to fish, much higher water.